Do you know Pichhwai stands for hanging at the back? Behind Srinathji's statue, there is a fine decorated cloth, and that cloth is known as Pichhwai. So, welcome back to my channel everyone. Today I am going to make Pichhwai painting on plaques for wall decoration. The plaques are the cutouts of the MDF board and I applied a layer of primer on it. Let's draw the outlines and I took the reference from Pinterest. I am making a pair of both Radha and Krishna. For background, I preferred using turquoise color because I'll be using bright colors for the decoration. Reason why I chose plaques over plates, because plaques are on MDF and plates are on melamine. Plaques are heavier and less prone to damage, as if in case dropped from a height or when stepped on mistakenly. Plaques are flat and give you more space to paint on, but on plates, curved edges eats up half an inch of work area. So plaques can be customized to any size, but plates are of fixed size and shape. For detailing, I am using 3D outliners. Pichhwai paintings are created with an aim to narrate tales from Lord Krishna's life through illustrations. Ras Leela by Lord Krishna and Radha is one of the most iconic imaginaries of the famous Hindu god art. The tranquility of the lotus and leaves in background combined with the minute detailing of Krishna's and Radha's jewelry and clothes in resplendent gold makes the artwork an absolute masterpiece. And at the end, I already varnished the plaques and are ready to hang on the wall.